I'm so excited to give you a quick look at this home that I designed starting right here in the living room. This bright and light-filled space features a seating area that's focused around this stone fireplace wall. A few steps up takes you to the open concept kitchen. With modern industrial style, this space is right in the middle of the action. Right across is the dining room. A pedestal table allows for flexible seating and excellent traffic flow. Down the hall, you'll find the more formal parlor. A classic blue and white color scheme shows off the historic architectural details in here. Upstairs is where you'll find all the bedrooms. The master suite is a sunny, happy space with a vaulted ceiling, exposed beams, and bright white furniture. The attached master bathroom is filled with features that make it truly next level. There's a guest bedroom with a modern canopy bed, and across the hall is a gorgeous and spacious bathroom. The second guest bedroom is a stunner with high gloss lacquered walls, a pair of hand painted chests, and a massive wall of windows that floods the space with natural light. And that's it, that's the whole house. This beautiful historic home is packed with modern day touches.